So the stock of interest is Starbucks. Starbucks last quarter, they reported a disastrous Q2 um, where they missed the quarter and then guided down for full year 2024. It took the stock from 90 and change down to, I think it bottomed around $72. And that's around where it sits now. Goldman came out and initiated with an out of consensus buy. So if I wanted to do some work on Starbucks, I start with a data sheet from the Lupa. So I download it here. I download it with the metadata, and up it pops. Here is the data sheet. It has information all the way back to 2012 by quarter. And then if I want to go to more recently, so this is December, this is the March quarter where they guided down. And if I click on any of these numbers, it's going to take me right to their full guidance. So I can see here that they guided to 7% global store growth, 4 to 6% comp growth for fiscal 2024, going back to the model. And then I say, all right, well, what happened after the Q2? I pop this open, they took it down to 6%, and then you can see the global comp store sales, a low single digit decline to flat. So it puts everything in perspective. I can see how it trended last year. You can see it stayed, the global store growth was 7% throughout the year, didn't change. US store growth ticked up to 4% in Q4. They also have more detailed information. So as I look to build a model, I can see all the KPIs going back. Here's their negative 4% comp that they posted last quarter. And I can see how it trended over the last few years by quarter. And then if I want to drill in and see the actual data behind it, I click on that, and up pops the 8K, the earnings release, where they posted the 4% decline. So it's a great place to start when I'm doing work, especially on a name where I don't have a model.